What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be making some stewed beef. It's full of flavor, it's hearty, and it's a perfect Sunday dinner. And as usual, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and become a part of the Greedy Gang. Also click the bell so that you can be notified every time I post. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to start by seasoning the beef, and I'm adding here some all-purpose seasoning, and I'm going to go in with some paprika, some canola oil, some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and some salt. And then I'm going to add some soy sauce for that umami flavor, and some Grace browning for color. And then I'm just going to go in with my hand and I'm going to massage the seasoning onto the meat. So after I've massaged the meat, I'm going to cover it with some plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for about 4 hours or overnight to marinate. So now I'm going to chop some veggies that I'm going to add to the beef for added flavor, and I'm going to chop up some bell peppers. I'm using a quarter of a green bell pepper and a quarter of a red bell pepper, and I'm just adding this for a hint of sweetness and that bell pepper flavor. I'm adding 2 stalks of green onion, a whole onion, fresh thyme, tomato, 1 large carrot, and 2 yellow Irish potatoes. And you can't have a perfect stew if you don't have potatoes in it. So I'm going to add all these veggies in the second half of the cooking. Some people like to add the veggies to the marinade when you're marinating the beef, but it's such hard work just to remove the veggies from the meat before you saute them. So now I'm just going to go in with some oil in my pan, and I'm going to fry all my beef, and I'm just building some flavors here by just searing the meat first. So now that I've seared the beef, I'm adding 2 cups of beef broth to braise the beef, and some pimento seed and 2 bay leaves. The beef broth will definitely give the stew a very beefy flavor, and more fortifying the flavors of the stew. Okay, so now I'm going to allow the beef to cook until all the liquid evaporates from the pot. So as I stir the pot, you can see all the little brown bits in the bottom of the pan, and trust me, it's not burnt. All that is just flavor. So here I'm just going to add some more beef stock to the pot and let the beef continue to braise. So now I'm at the second phase of the cooking. The beef is getting tender, so now I'm adding all the veggies and do a final seasoning of the pot. So this kind of cooking is not a weeknight cooking because it takes a lot of time to prepare. You need between 2.5 to 3 hours to prep your ingredients plus cook time. And this is why I mentioned in the intro in the beginning that it's a perfect Sunday meal, because you would have time to do all the prepping and the cooking. So now I'm adding 2 cups of vegetable stock, and if you have more beef stock on hand, please use it. Now I'm going to add the carrots, yellow potatoes, and I'm just going to give that a stir and just to combine everything. So I'm adding here about 2 tablespoons of ketchup and stir that in. So I'm adding here a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of tomato paste, two teaspoons of dried basil, salt, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and then I'm just going to stir that all together and allow the stew to simmer for about 10 minutes to allow all the ingredients I added to just marry. Guys, you can see how everything has come together beautifully. A symphony of meat and veggies, each with their own flavor, but they have come together to make the perfect stew. Well guys, as usual, I just want to say thank you for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends and family so they too can see what Greedy Girl Ann is cooking over here. See you in the next video. Bye.